Loosen your fingers here. Let the wood rest, not grip.
Like this?
Good. The chain should breathe. Now let it flow across and catch. Relax the shoulder. Turn the waist. Sweep.
Got it.
Better. Control comes from stillness, not tension.
Keep the elbow tight, just above your ribs. Feel that line?
Yes, Sifu.
Now rotate the shoulder, not the wrist. Let the forearm swing like a door on a hinge. The power drives from here, body, hip, shoulder, then the point of the elbow. Aim for the center line.
Let your wrist stay relaxed. If it's stiff, you lose the feel. Here, my hand covers your line, my other hand goes through. See the path?
Yes, Sifu.
Timing is like breathing. Trap, hit, let it go. Your turn.
Trap, hit,
and release. Good. Feel the opening, not the force. Heel higher. Good. Turn the hip in. Yes. Feel that line?
Yes, Sifu.
Keep the knee locked, but not stiff. Breath smooth. Balance from your center.
Understood.
Very good. Hold and relax when ready. Relax the shoulders. Breathe.
Yes, Sifu.
Here, turn the hip. Let it lead the kick, not the knee. Good. Now twist the torso. Heel first, toes down. Feel the line from your spine to the edge of the foot. Balanced, effortless.
Relax the fingers. Let the fist close itself. Good. Now turn the wrist. See these two knuckles? They land first.
Yes, Sifu.
Elbow down, shoulder loose. The power whips from here. Watch. Now your turn. Breathe out. Ha! Better. Keep the snap, not the push. Let it spring back.
Got it.
Lift from the hip. Let the knee lead.
Like this?
Good. Now rotate. Foot flat. Yes. Toes back. Feel the line?
I feel it.
Breathe. Balance comes from the quiet inside, not the leg. Let it.
It wants to shake.
Let it. Control the shake. Now bring it back down.